So, the rear end's gone. Up underneath it, as you can see, I've chained her down because it's a little tipsy. Got my cross member bolts out, they're 315s. And then over here, then you'll have, after you take that cover off, you'll have that. Another 18 under there. Let's see. Yeah, big little place like that over it. Then you'll, next up, I'll take my linkage here. This is what runs as your shifter cable. And then this trying to show you that is your gear. As that push and pulls, there we go, sorry. That click is going in each gear, but where I haven't got the pressure off of it here, to have a way I can't go through the gears. Take that off, and then the body mounts, of course. It looks like brake cable here, e-brake cable. Set her back down. And see what all I got up here, the usual. And she'll be ready for liftoff.